on a gold.
Prepare to attack.
They come into a bar.
Select
Order a drink. Oh, we're on attack too.
No, fuck around Blizzard World, really?
Yep. Blizzard World.
Goddamn.
Why'd you say oh no?
Hope, do you not know this map too well, or?
Do any of
Triple
us?
tank, alright.
Oh, fuck, I didn't even notice.
That's fine, that's fine, that's fine.
Yeah, we can do that. Because we got two healers. Brian can focus in his DPS. This is actually kind of the way I was envisioning it, actually.
Dope.
So, yeah, let's try this out. Just watch for Brigitte. Because that is a must-pick in comp right now.
Mm-hmm.
Shoot her from a distance, Brian. That's going to fall mostly on Brian.
We'll see what kind of DPS they have, or because I might be able to go far up.
Yeah.
I was wondering if you'd sign something for me.
Okay, do we have a plan or anything? Is there a way we want to come out?
It's only a
Attack commences.
I think we start by just going main way.
Thanks, Frumpy.
I think we go main way, try to push in up through the right there where the ride is.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. Do we want to go full around, like towards their spawn, or straight through?
Well, let's just try to get into like where the ride is at now, where the little health pack is, and the stairs that lead up to
Okay.
it, that area. You know what I'm saying?
Yep, let's move with the team and follow in Hope. Use him as your shield. Yeah, 7 foot motherfucker. Don't let your health reach 0.
Thank you.
Commencing. Capture objective A.
Oh.
Call him out as you see him.
Yeah,
we got
they're
Ryan,
like
they're up
way
at
back
point,
at
yeah.
point.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
take this room right now. Get the high ground.
I'm right behind you.
Ghost, ghost, ghost.
They have a far.
I got booped down. Coming back up.
Alright.
They do have a Pharah.
Yep.
Diva's weak, half health.
I thought you were trying me. I was like, what? Am I? Got the Brigitte.
2 kills.
2 down, move in!
Diva's weak. Pharah's weak.
Mercy.
Fire down!
Oh no.
Alright, that's good, we're good. We're good, we're good, we're good.
Where's the Genji?
He's dead.
Alright, good push,
Hope,
good
come
push.
back, Hope, come back. Good job, good job. Good time, good time. Push the payload from here, boys. I'm trying, Brian. There you go. Okay, they got pharmacy above in the sky.
Yeah, I need to get back. Holy hell, I almost died. That was dumb.
Frumpy's our real MVP here.
Front, that's a good idea. I like it.
Never thought of it before. That's genius. Genji
Watch our
trying to
flank.
flank.
Everyone, heal up.
Oh no. Alright, regroup,
good.
regroup. Everyone get
Yeah,
out if you
fall
can.
back.
Oh my god. Oh,
Kill yourself, kill yourself, kill yourself right now.
Die, just get out.
Die, die,
Get off
die.
the cliff.
I'm good. I'm good.
Sky.
I'm good. What?
Get off the cliff.
Okay, yeah, I'm going. God damn.
Alright, let's regroup here. He's out of position, get him! Oh
fuck.
shit, that's not good.
Thanks for the health.
I've got you in my sights.
Bar almost dead.
Yep,
Got her. Nope, I don't got her.
no, fucking hell.
God damn it, she was at like no health line.
Rhino barrier down, move in on that, move in!
Oh. Well, I took that for you.
Don't save it.
Oh, there's a Genji behind, and he just
Got
took
it.
my back. Nice. Oh, fuck.
Shit.
I read you.
Alright, we need, Brian, should we go back 2-2-2 here?
I think so, yeah.
Alright, Sky, do you want to use your ult real quick? And
Yeah,
push
yeah.
me?
Yeah, I got you.
I'll go DPS.
So I guess I go Mercy, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's
Nice,
really
nice,
good.
nice. Hold on, stay.
Yep, stay on for now.
Okay.
Got this. Genji behind. Genji behind.
Gotcha.
He's down. He's down. Really good ults, guy. Really good.
You're welcome.
Brigida's weak. Nice.
Down.
Hope, come back. You're weak. Okay.
Good job, boys. Good job.
I was like, oh, they don't see me if I just go from this angle.
That's really good.
Boom,
Keep it up.
motherfucker. Boom.
Don't forget the.
They have a Hanzo? No.
Gotcha.
It's Genji again. Still Genji. Genji's upper right.
Got
Yep.
it.
I'm shooting at him. I'm trying to get him to back off. Oh, far above, far above.
Got it.
Ryan's out of whip position.
I don't got that.
Wow, that got me so far away.
All right, regroup, guys. Regroup. Got a lot down. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna die anyways.
All right. Do we want to go 2-2-2 again, or?
Yeah, we want another more damage, I think.
All right, Sky. If you want to go Mercy, I'll switch
Got
to
it.
the Rat here.
They have a Reaper now.
Gotcha. They're doing 3 EPS. Mercy down!
Oh, Reaper behind, Reaper behind!
Shit.
60 seconds remaining.
Thank you. Oh fuck. I might be able to res that. No, no, it's surrounded. Actually, yes.
Really? Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Good job, good job. "30 seconds, guys."
30 seconds remaining.
That was so unfortunate.
Wait, can I?
Alright, let's move
Go, go,
it,
go, go,
move
go,
it,
go.
move it!
Not a young man anymore.
10
Nice play, chef.
Thank you.
Where's your soul?
Don't worry about it.
No, no, no. Focus on the point.
Yep, get on that point. Get that extra time. Watch that nerf.
Thank you. Whoa!
Wow!
Oh my god. What the hell just happened?
He went up like a firework.
You sure did.
Can we get that point? No, no. Nice job.
Yay.
Oh, wow. Good job, boys. Got an extra
Hold on, hold on.
90
Get him right now.
for your hard work.
This old dog's learned a few tricks.
Make the most out of this time.
Shit. Probably shouldn't have did that. Oh, well.
Far as weak. Nice stagger.
Cost and all, but it's alright. 60 seconds, boys.
60
Keep it up.
seconds remaining.
I have high ground.
Gotcha.
Gotcha.
Okay, this thing up behind the Rhiny again. Watch our flanks.
Whoa. Nice, nice, nice.
They're Rhiny down. They're Rhiny down.
Gotcha.
Reaper down.
The Brigida's up. Keep
Mercy
it up,
weak.
boys. 30 seconds. We're doing all right, guys. We got this.
We're doing all right.
I've got you in my sights.
Nice. We
it.
actually have time
Yay.
left. That's even
job.
better.
Good
Yes.
job.
Good shit, my boys.
All right, we're halfway there. Let's keep it together. Settle down.
Sides.
Get a drink of water if you can.
More pot, you know, whatever. We got this.
Prepare your defense.
Do we want to keep the same?
Oh, I'm
comp, or
drinking
do we wanna
coffee.
Switch it up here. Brian, what do you think?
No, we're fine. I think we keep it together.
Okay. Good, good, good. All we gotta do is keep them from getting a third, and we got this.
I'd just be concerned about an annoying Tracer or something, or Sombra.
Yeah, that's the only bad thing right now.
Oh, I didn't even notice it's a diamond player.
We're all
Yep, they got 1 diamond, 2 plat, and a gold, I think.
Charles.
Wow.
Charles? Ah,
I think we want to try to take the high ground up here.
Charles, is that you?
the high ground up here.
Right here
Oh,
by the
yeah, I
ride.
see. Wow,
it's
Charles!
Oh god, he needs to come play with us. Apparently he plays, I think.
Yeah, I think he does.
Who?
Wow, it's Charles. It's a guy from
Attackers
Chat.Dungeon.
incoming.
He's not in the actual Chat.Dungeon, but he's in the cool Chat.Dungeon. The one that hopes on.
forces standing around.
The ghost. Ghost. I'm
Hey,
purple.
Brian, should I trap over here to the right again?
Oh,
Yeah, sure, why not?
damn, fine.
Is stuff broken over there?
No.
Yeah, set up a trap. Don't break anything.
Oh yeah, I know. I remember the first time.
If we have to,
Yell at
fall
me
back
for
the point. Yeah.
5, 4, 3.
I mean, it's funny. It's not broken because I mean the first point was.
Attackers
Here they come, boys.
Come
Game
back. Okay,
face
you're
on.
over there by yourself. All right. Genji in the front.
All right, they are all in the front.
They are all front. Hello, chap.
Okay, Genji coming around.
Okay.
He's up top now.
Okay. Yep, I'm moving.
Guy behind you.
Hey. Both of you move back. Oh, fuck. Tank down.
Yep. And there ain't no way you're gonna res that. Don't
Yeah, move
try.
back. Move back. Ghost, get out of there.
Oh, that was a sweet kill. Got Genji.
Good job,
Okay.
good job.
Hey, soldier, almost on point. On point.
Yep. To the right. Weak, they're regrouping.
I'm down.
Gotcha.
Is there anything over there? Can
I
run?
can't see. Yeah, you're good.
Gotcha.
Whoa.
Oh fuck. No, let me go. Let me go.
I got 2 of them. From Stack Ram. Stack Ramas.
Oh, damn it.
Oh fuck. Leave us me be, motherfucker.
My ultimate is ready.
I'm not a
How many we got on point? We got 4 still.
Keep going. Oh, we can definitely
Yep.
hold this.
Oh yeah. We still got this.
Nice job staying alive, healers.
It's called just flying around and hoping that no one shoots at you.
Genji, weak as hell.
2 on point. Good job, good job, good job.
Thanks.
Alright, we held them off. They're regrouping. They're over by the right now.
Gotcha.
My ultimate is charging.
Right by the statue. They're coming in through Main Street.
Oh, what? Where are you? Oh,
you.
hi. I guess
Okay, they're
we're-
going up the left. High ground, high ground.
Gotcha.
Here they all come. Right above you guys. Right side, right side. You're
Doomfist,
gonna take.
Doomfist.
Got it.
No, I don't have anything to... From the MVP.
Hope is down, hope is down.
You're
Where
down
is
2 right now.
No. Oh my...
Nice, chef.
Thank you.
Chef, I'm pocketing you. You get some shit done.
Oh no, he's
shit.
dead. Hold on.
Okay.
Doomfist coming in on point. Hey, still 1 on point. It's only Doomfist.
There's 2.
Doomfist and Moira, that's it. We almost got this, boys.
I got it.
Yeah.
All right. Regroup. Everyone
Yep.
heal up.
Good choice.
Good job, boys. Good job.
I shouldn't
Keep
be
it up.
alive.
Keep it up.
Soldier weak. Damn it.
Got it.
Ow.
He's healed up. He's healed up. Don't worry. Nice hammer.
Doomfist got Frumpy! Doomfist got Frumpy!
Gotcha, where is... Can I get this?
Doomfist down!
Yes.
I'm down!
Okay.
10 seconds! Get him on point!
I'm down.
Sorry.
4 on 2 on 3 on 2 on point!
Gotcha.
Watch out, the Lucio's on our mercy.
Yeah. Please get him off me! Oh!
You tricks.
No, my tire's down!
No! I'm down.
Shit.
I've got you in my sight. I'm on fire.
We almost got this fight, guys. Only a few left on point.
I had to retreat for health.
2 on point. There's 4 on point now. 4.
Heal up here.
Can we get him off? Can we get him off?
I'm here. Go for it. I'm on.
Ghost is down. Hope is down. Our tanks are down.
I got one of their tanks.
Hope back up.
Shit, I'm down.
Oh my god.
Keep them alive as best you can, Sky.
I'm trying.
Good job, good
Thank you
job.
Thank you to my man's
I'm
Frumpy.
coming. Keep it on.
Keep it up, boys. 2 on point still. 3.
How long has this been going on for?
Keep it going. Keep it going.
Oh fuck. I'm down.
Shit. Stay on point.
Get out.
Fall back.
How long was that?
Don't know. Don't care right now.
Okay. It's valid.
All right, regroup.
Yep.
Valkyrie's charging.
Haha, 69.
All right, regroup and be methodical about this. We got 2 minutes to get him off the payload.
My ultimate is charging.
Above.
Yeah, it was a Doomfist. He retreated.
My ultimate is ready. Time to strike.
They're on the payload, all of them.
Heal up. My ultimate is ready.
2 of them are flanking into the arcade. No, they stopped. Get Doomfist shield down.
Go in. Go in.
Hey, soldier's focusing me. He's to your left. He's dead.
Doomfist to the left.
What the fuck? How did he miss?
Carefully.
Keep him off. 90 seconds, boys. Keep him
Oh
off.
no! Just all right. Let's get some high grounds. Chef, get high ground. I'll get high ground.
I just like to fly.
Yeah, Mercy, you want to be up in the air with us most of the time.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, you can fly
Yeah,
around.
they're moving up the
You can
flank.
heal
They're moving up
everyone.
the flank.
Gotcha.
Yeah, they're coming right side flank up high.
Ryan, my trap.
There
He's
it
half
goes.
health. He's healed up.
Doomfist is up here.
Doomfist is down on the ground now. He's got me.
Oh, fuck. No.
Chef, you're gonna die. Okay. Oh my god.
I don't quit. till the
I've been
fight's
avenged.
done.
Frumpy, come back.
Regroup,
Here.
guys. Regroup. We got time still. We just gotta stop him from this point.
Good choice.
30 seconds.
My ultimate is ready.
30 seconds remaining.
Ooh, we're gonna have to get on that point like really soon.
Okay, soldiers coming around the high ground flank.
He's already used his ult, I believe.
Get on point. Get on point.
Gotcha.
I'm down.
Acknowledge.
Oh damn it.
Oh, fuck.
All right,
Fall back,
regroup. Yeah, fall
Yep,
back.
Regroup.
Acknowledge.
Group up with me. Join The war goes on.
Actually, I'm gonna
To
go.
our old spawn, old spawn.
Ultimate is ready.
Earthshatter, ready.
Graviton surge is ready.
Okay, we got a minute to blow him off this point.
Gotcha.
All we gotta do.
Gotcha.
60 seconds.
Hey, Doofus behind! Doofus behind!
Got it. I'll get him. I'll get him.
Thank you.
45 seconds, boys. Keep him off. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Soldier behind! Soldier behind!
30 seconds remaining.
Guys, stay in here.
Yep, gotcha.
Alright, we're good. We're good. We're good.
I am your god.
20 seconds. Lucio down. Keep him off.
Where's that Doofus? Oh, this is not grand.
Oh no. Oh no.
Get him off the point. Alright, group up, group up.
Gotta group up.
Dogs learned a few tricks.
You got Tracer now?
They sure do.
Alright, get in there. Get in there.
Oh god, Doofus
Are you
is behind us.
kidding me?
Doofus is behind us and he's going for me now.
Thanks, guys.
I'm down.
Okay, gotcha. Got it.
Get them off the point.
Trying.
This old dog's learned a few tricks.
Damn it. Don't notice me, don't notice me. I'm down.
We got no one on point.
That's okay. It's okay. We got alright. We got another round.
They're gonna attack first. They got less time. It's a minute for them. Minute 9 for us.
Okay.
Let's get as much as we can.
3 to 3.
Minute 7. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I was about to say.
All right, rock solid defense, guys. I want to get it so that way we only have a cap in third. You're damn right. Rock solid like those guns on Zarya.
We're all soldiers now.
Привет.
Okay.
We might want a Winston. Something that can dive.
Quit screwing around and get ready to move.
Or,
I can't play Winston well. Hope you want to go for it.
We'll be okay. We'll be okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
just
we'll be
like
okay.
something that can dive. You know, Genjis or Tracers that might go try to jump on point.
Make sure we get the high ground again. Let's get the high ground here. Go up with Frumpy.
Hello.
Chef, set up a trap over here in the stairwell, like
Stairwell.
right in the
Yeah.
mid tier, right here.
3,
We're over here.
1.
Gotcha.
Attackers incoming.
Hurry.
Defend objective
It's down. Alright, they're coming up through the center again. Main Street.
I see a Tracer. She's going right.
Got it.
Oh, going right.
They're going to the right. Everyone to the right.
Moira's weak. Moira weak. She's still weak.
Moira, I'm
Down.
Moira
Nope,
down.
down.
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Hey, there's a
Briny up.
right. Yeah.
30 seconds.
Kill his ass. Kill his ass. 30 seconds, boys.
Got you covered. Got you covered.
Okay, they're regrouping for the last push.
All right.
Keep them off. That's all we gotta do. 15 seconds.
10 seconds.
Get ready for a Tracer dart.
Yep.
On point, Tracer.
Point. She's down.
Never forget that.
Brigida on point. Brigida on point.
Lucio weak.
Oh fuck.
Not good. Not good. Not good.
Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, ow.
Brigida and Ryan, that's it.
Gotcha. Oh!
Nice rise.
Jesus.
Point, Tracer.
Hey!
Oh my god, I saw him right in front of my face. I was like, oh shit.
Kill that
and
Tracer!
then- Oh my god. Shut
Okay.
him.
Okay, guys. This is no longer losable. The
Okay.
worst that can happen is a draw.
Shove, I just want to tell you real quickly, I will take a bullet for you.
That's 3 bullets now.
Yeah, no, he was literally like right in front of my face in middle of rest. I'm like, oh
They're gonna be like, you know, Baby Diva bullets. They're not gonna hurt that bad.
Select your hero.
Brian, have you seen my Baby Diva play?
Baby Diva play. That was like a Baby Diva play.
Baby Diva play. Baby Diva.
Alright, do we want to continue with this, or should we go, like... Well, I don't know. What do you think, Brian? We got a
If it
minute
ain't broke,
7.
don't fix
Yeah,
it. If
third.
it. Oh wait, we
Yeah,
only
dude.
have. Oh, we have triple heal. We only have 3 tanks and 2 DPS.
Yeah, we gotta be super aggressive on this. All we need is a third. And
Here,
we
here,
win.
here. I'll be Lucio.
Alright,
All right, we're gonna push in fast to the right side like we did the first time.
you got it.
Attack.
I will speed boost us right as we get to like the normal choke there.
Okay.
Just make sure, which side are we going through again?
Right side where the ride is up to the right there. A little health back.
Okay.
The room with the staircase. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying, I just I didn't hear right or left, so I was like, wait, where?
Well, we're only gonna have 2 fights at most for this.
Yeah.
Either way, guys, game face. We got this. This is winnable.
Yeah!
Let's do it. Let's go kick their ass.
Capture objective A.
Good morning, motherfuckers.
All right, get ready. Speed boost. 3,
Safe spot.
2, 1, go.
60 seconds remaining.
Move up, move up, move up.
Oh wait, hope.
Let's go.
All right, here we go. We're up top. All right, hold on. Let's try to get a pick before we push in.
Got it.
Yeah, just grind them down a little bit.
Whoa, that was close.
Yes, it was.
Oh my god, who the fuck keeps falling?
All right, let's rotate left side here. Come over here.
Got
Left,
it.
left.
Going in, going in. Get that Rhino, he's out of position. Our ghost down, our ghost down. Move in on this.
Brigida's weak.
Oh fuck. Thank you. Hi world.
Good.
Nice.
Get on point, get on point.
Oh my god, fuck. Oh, this is limping.
Stay on point. Just stay
I'm down.
on point as long as you can.
GG.
Well,
Damn.
it's all good. Yeah.
Play of the game.
Oh shit,
Triple kill.
Shag. Shag real?
Damn, I don't know who to vote. I'm gonna go for Hope.
I think Frumpy out healed me by like 10,000.
That was a really great match, guys. And my season's already starting off the way season 3 started. I got a career best in everything.
Nice.
42 eliminations for me.